Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers,
Come back again with us. I am Cestalita.
and I'm Nindya Wahyu Pratiwi. Now we are going to visit one of homes that are in the Parayungan and Roai city.
Okay, let's go. Waalaikumsalam. Sorry ma'am, I am Cestalita from Itu Talk Show. I want to invite you to come to my talk show on tomorrow in studio. Sorry ma'am, but what's your name? My name is Cici. How long you been living here?
I live in here already 19 years. But sorry, what about your talk show?
Okay. This talk show is about environment, and tomorrow we will present about environment damage in your village. And if you are willing to come to my talk show,
Okay, I will come to your talk show tomorrow.
okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. What's wrong?
Sorry ma'am, I'm Nindya from Itu Talk Show and we want to invite you to come to my talk show on tomorrow in studio. Sorry, what's your name
My name is Fitriani.
and how long you been living here?
I live in here already 10 years. Sorry, what about your talk show?
This talk show is about environment and tomorrow we will present about environmental damage in your village and if you are willing to come to my talk show.
Okay, I will come to your talk show.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody.
Come back again with us. I am Cestalita.
And I'm Nindya Wahyu Pratiwi. Now we will present about environmental damage in Tasikmalaya.
Plants, individuals, creatures, and nature are association. Plants record a decent demand for developing creatures and need plants to eat. And humans need everything to survive. Everything went as usual until the human were devasting it. Nobody of living this on the earth can crossing it with the expression of the human. Globalization makes us of no be will know to you. Globalization can quick the rate of economy any place. Innovation create to crowd the years thrown into a apparatus that without much of a straight human work. Indeed, even to bluster it numerous new advances are conceived, for instance a PC. Lamentably, the velocity of current mechanical change not took after by ensuring conscience of accomplishing environment. Monstrous oil penetrating block on by the human vehicle is expanding alongside expanding human populations from years to years. At long last, the waste delivered from the vehicles get to be one of the fundamental variables that are around us. A ton of natural harm that we regulation, for instance, a worldwide temperature elevation, corrosive downpour, northerly impact, ecologic contamination, etc. The natural impact caused by extreme carbon dioxide gas and gaseous and dangerous atmospheric diffusion makes the Earth more sultry. The following marvel is corrosive downpour, in spite of the fact that it can avoid an unnatural weather change. However, corrosive downpour is more perilous. People are the primary driver. Begin from now, we should keep our surroundings for our grandchildren on day later. Change, regardless of how little function you do, will be felt by our youngsters and grandchildren one day later.
Individuals for the rabies issue. Consistently, Indonesian produce no less than million ton trash. The trash is sent to landfills, where a large portion of them dirty the area and air. As an after effect of reusing, rabies that would have been discarded are reused later in new items, arranged to be sold. At that point, the business purchases that material and use it make new item. The importance of recycling. The legislature and gathering of individuals that attempt to ensure the earth must urge individuals to reuse. They need to give a recognition that reusing is critical for their life. It can decrease contamination of air, land, and water. In this way, individuals will acknowledge and attempt to reuse the discarded materials, the thrown away materials.
Okay, now we have guest star from Tasikmalaya. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sorry, ma'am. What's your name?
My name is Suci Smetrasana.
And you?
And my name is Fitriani.
Where are you come from?
I'm from Padayungan village.
And you?
I come from Bunuwai village.
Okay, ma'am, I have some question for you about environmental damage in your place. What's your opinion about environmental damage in your place?
I think effect on environmental damage is very disturbing. For example, a lot of rabies everywhere. This is very disturbing because the rabies creates a bad and not beautiful view.
And how about you?
I think the environmental damage is disturbing enough in my area. Whether is drainage is bad or decrease green plant in our environment. Reduce land for the house also add environmental damage in our environment.
And what's the most effect about environmental damage you feel?
The first side effect of such worst effect is healthy. From the smell of the rabies, inviting flies, and the flies first on the rabies. After that, flies first on the food, and it is cause stomach.
I think I am with Miss Fitriani. The most effect is about healthy life because bad environment can make not good not good life and it is cause sick.
Okay, thank you for coming and see you next time.
Thank you.
Guest. He is an environmental expert from Living Environmental Institute. Okay, his name is Mr. Nanda Mulyadi.
I sit down, please.
Okay, Mr. Nanda, thank you for your time. I have some question for you. Okay, how do you think about increase environmental damage that occur in various regions from time to time?
Okay, Bismillah. I want to explain about environmental damage. Environmental damage is an action that leads to direct or indirect change to physical or biological traits that are intrinsic in supporting sustainable development. Damage of environment will turn into change in the properties and element of the environment that is served and element of the environment that is set in the role and significance of the environment for life becomes a nuisance, not even work anymore. Okay, several types of environmental damage is forest damage, air pollution, and so on. Some damage due to natural factor and due to natural factor are earthquakes, volcanic eruption, and tsunamis. Besides this, natural damage factor caused by human activities also cause environment damage processes is flood, deforestation, and air pollution. The impact that will be caused by environmental damage is global warming, climate change, landslide, melting of the polar ice, and the extinction of various species.
Then, how can we handle it, Mr.?
Okay, we can handle it to impact of environmental damage. There is need for way to tackle the problem of environmental damage. Way of the dealing with restoration, land rehabilitation, the provision of waste bin, no dumping into river, making waste management and conduction circular system to avoid deforestation, and most important is our awareness to always keep our environment as good as possible so that the impact of environmental damage can be avoided.
Thank you for your coming, Mr. And thank you for your watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, thank you so much
For watching our video.
Make our environment
As a part of our life.
Don't ignore our environment.
Don't damage.
We will be healthy.
if the environment is clean.
Our life will profit.
If the earth is green.
Happy watching. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Testalita Octaviana. I am group 4.
Hello, my name is Fitriani and I am from group 4.
Hello, my name is Injawa Tiwi and I'm from group 4.
Hello everybody, my name is Suci Ismiatul Hasanah. I'm from group 4.
My name is Nanda Mulyadi. I'm from Group 4. Thanks.